What if I told you there are AI websites that can replace expensive software, save you hours of work, and even help you make money online? Most people are still using old methods while a small group of people are using AI to work faster and smarter. Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful AI websites that you should start using right now. Make sure to watch until the end because the last tool is absolutely incredible. First on our list is Perplexity AI. Think of it as a combination of Google and ChatGPT. Instead of giving you dozens of links to search through, it provides direct answers and shows the sources it used. This makes it perfect for research, learning new skills, and finding accurate information quickly. If you're a student, creator, or professional, Perplexity can save you a lot of time every day. The next tool is Gamma. Creating presentations can be frustrating and time-consuming. With Gamma, all you need to do is enter a topic and the AI creates a complete presentation for you. It automatically generates slides, layouts, and content in minutes. Whether you're preparing a business presentation or a school project, Gamma can make the process much easier. Canva AI. Canva is much more than a design platform. Its AI tools allow you to create images, videos, presentations, social media posts, and marketing materials with just a few clicks. Even if you have no design experience, Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking content. Notion AI. Notion AI works like a personal assistant inside your workspace. It can write content, summarize documents, organize projects, generate ideas, and help manage daily tasks. It's an excellent tool for improving productivity and staying organized. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is one of the most realistic AI voice generators available today. You can turn text into natural-sounding speech in multiple languages. Many YouTubers, podcasters, and businesses use it to create professional voiceovers without hiring voice actors. Suno AI. Imagine creating an entire song in less than a minute. Suno AI allows users to generate music, lyrics, and vocals from a simple text prompt. Whether you need background music or want to experiment with songwriting, Suno is an amazing tool. Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI helps users create stunning images and artwork from text descriptions. It is popular among designers, marketers, game developers, and content creators. The quality of the generated images is often impressive. Runway is one of the most powerful AI video tools available today. It can generate videos, remove backgrounds, create visual effects, and simplify complex editing tasks. For creators who work with video content, Runway can save hours of editing time. HeyGen. HeyGen allows you to create realistic AI avatars that can speak in different languages. Businesses use it for marketing, training, and educational videos. It is a powerful way to create professional content without appearing on camera. Claude. Claude is an advanced AI assistant designed for handling large amounts of information. It can analyze documents, summarize reports, answer questions, and provide detailed explanations. Many professionals use Claude for research and productivity tasks. Those were 10 incredible AI websites that can save you time, money, and effort. The world of AI is evolving rapidly, and learning these tools today could give you a major advantage in the future. Which tool was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools and technology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.